Our planet Earth is beautiful, isn't it? But what can we do to preserve it? A lot. One way is choosing the right packaging. Packaging that is environment-friendly, sustainable, reusable and recyclable. Use glass. Glass is a gift of nature. Glass is made from natural raw materials, sand, soda ash and limestone. Glass is found everywhere in the world where volcanic eruptions occur. Glass is endlessly recyclable without loss in purity or quality. Thanks to glass recycling, significant amounts of raw material are saved and natural resources are preserved. Make better choices today for a better future for our children. Contact us for eco-friendly glass packaging solutions.